rains from Typhoon Enteng enhanced or turbocharged by the southwest monsoon began late in the afternoon yesterday, and it hasn't let up since yesterday, leaving various parts of the Luzon mainland, to include the NCR area and Rizal province, and those in the Visayas region under heavy rainfall and rising floodwaters on the streets. PTV correspondent Patrick De Jesus gets us up to speed with Pag-asa's prognostications, OCD and PNP preparations and mitigation efforts in this report.
Heavy rains have been pouring in some parts of the country since yesterday due to Tropical Storm Enteng. Many residents had to be evacuated, like in Cainta, Rizal, where the PNP has provided assistance. The PNP also assisted motorists stranded in the flood and residents in Libon, Albay. The evacuation on Sunday night in Virac, Catanduanes amidst the heavy downpour and floods was not easy. 5,000 police officers have been deployed by the PNP to continue assisting residents affected by the storm and the southwest monsoon, with all units placed on heightened alert and the Regional Incident Management Task Group activated.
To make sure na meron po tayong sinusundan na mga management protocols with respect dito po sa ating mga humanitarian assistance and disaster response.
The PNP is also focused on the law and order cluster to prevent possible looting incidents and ensure order in evacuation centers.
Dahil nga may mga nagsaka pong mga tindahan, may mga nagsaka pong mga commercial establishment and even sa residential areas, to make sure na hindi po magkakaroon ng looting, hindi po magkakaroon po ng mga, if ever magkakaroon po ng distribution po ng relief good, ay hindi po magkakagulo. At syempre yung ating pong deployment sa mga evacuation center, particularly doon po sa may mga bata, may mga babae pong nandiyan po, kaya nag-deploy din po tayo ng mga WCPD personnel po natin to make sure po na naaalalayan po yung mga bata at mga babae po doon, dahil alam po natin pagdating sa evacuation center, dikit-dikit na po yan.
The Office of Civil Defense and the NDRRMC are now on red alert for immediate response to those affected by the typhoon.
Kino-compliment po yung utos ng ating Pangulo to be always there, no? To be one step ahead to provide efficient, adequate, at saka relevant response po para sa ating mga kababayan, para maibsan po ang kanilang mga, mga pasanin, especially in times like this, kung sila ay mga biktima ng disasters.
According to the initial report from the NDRRMC, 2 people have been reported dead due to the rains brought by Tropical Storm Enteng and the southwest monsoon. This was reported in Central Visayas, where 10 injuries were also recorded. The said numbers are still under validation according to the NDRRMC. According to the OCD's report from initial data of the DSWD, 6,000 families or more than 24,000 individuals have been affected by Tropical Storm Enteng. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.